Exercise 1.6. This exercise is essentially just putting data in an empty sheet. That sheet you need to create by yourself again. And since we have instructed many times how to create a new sheet, I won't show you again. The sheet is already created, 1.6, I named it. And now we just type in all the data in the different cells. I would recommend you just use the same formatting and same way of writing as you can see on the screenshot on your syllabus. So this one should be D1, date of list, and here should be 25 April 97. Okay, it's written differently like we learned last time. Let's make it just look the same as the example shows. Unfortunately, we don't have the same format rule anymore. Probably the example shows you an old version. So let's just use this. More data. It's a little bit tedious, but eventually you have to uh, just start putting in your own information instead of always using the already made format. So this could be a good practice for you. There are some basic numbers that is already there, so let's copy them. 6, 4, 8. All right. Here we have a plus mark. All right, and the last. Oh, whoops. Enter. The last part is that we need some borderline here. Let's go ahead and find them. So you can easily just change the format of a certain table by choosing a style here, or you can use the same one as the screenshot on your syllabus shows that requires your own creation. So format cells, border, and we choose the uh, thick border, and that could include the whole outline, yes, that we need for the whole outline, and the others we can set up later. So first we have the whole outline, here we go, and we need the line in front of, yeah, so it's on top of the totals. So we can also choose from here, or we can right click and choose format cells. In this case we need the border on top, okay, and also for the first column the border should have it on the right. So format on the right, let's choose this one, okay. And last step, for the first row in the table we need the format to be the same as a screenshot. That means we need to have it here in the bottom. Alright, we have exactly the same as the screenshot shows you, and now that's when we complete the exercise 1.6. It looks like a ton of data, but actually when you do it, very simple, and you can do it very fast. That's exercise 1.6. I'll see you in the next video.